Best affiliate marketing platforms for beginners. I'm going to tell you about the best affiliate marketing platforms for beginners. When I started as an affiliate marketer, I did not do my research about the platforms. Believe me, some platforms were so bad that it literally cost me all my hard work, effort, and the time I put in. There are some affiliate platforms which you can't even delete your account after knowing they are a scam. Your personal data might be in the wrong hands. So it's bad. That's why you need to find platforms that are reputed, profitable, safe, secured, and reliable. I understand. As a beginner, you don't care. You want to know how to make money fast. Yes, information in this video will help you get there. So stay tuned. Now, if you are wondering about which affiliate platform you should choose, don't worry, I'm here to guide you to find the best affiliate marketing platform. So let's jump right into it. So what is an affiliate marketing platform in the first place? Basically, it's a third-party platform which includes you, the affiliates, and the people whose products you are going to sell, the merchants. You sign up on the platform, the merchants do the same, and then you guys meet in the system, work together to sell products. Well, that's the easiest way to help you understand what an affiliate marketing platform is. But in reality, they are far more complex, and I'm going to cover most of the details in this video, so keep watching. But wait, before going over the details, let's discuss why choosing a good affiliate platform is so crucial. When you are signing up on a platform, it's obvious that you need to provide your personal and business information, and as merchants need to do the same as well. Affiliate marketing platforms keep track of all of them. That means you get to know how many people you are promoting, how many products you are promoting, how many people see a banner ad, how many people are ending up completing a purchase, how many clicks does a link get, and the revenue generated by an affiliate, which is you in this case. I hope you get the point. Now, we will talk about the platforms one by one. We will go through the good things and the bad things about them so you can take an informed decision. Firstly, we will talk about Amazon Associates, the first online affiliate marketing platform in the world, still holding the potential for affiliates to grow infinitely. You will have millions of products to choose from, and it is free to sign up. People know about Amazon and have trust in the brand, which means it is much easier to sell. You can easily customize your links or ads. Amazon has a very low payout threshold. So what does it even mean? Suppose the payout threshold is $100 per month. If you earn $100 in a certain month or more than that, you will be able to transfer the payment. But if you have, let's say, $70, less than $100, you cannot transfer, and that amount will be rolled over to the next month. That's the scenario of most of the affiliate platforms. In the case of Amazon, you need a very little amount of money to transfer compared to the other platforms. So the threshold is low. But Amazon, like any other platforms, has some downsides. Cookies only last for 24 hours. You are not attributed to purchases after that. Commissions are low by some standards. International payouts are difficult. They don't work with PayPal. Keep this in mind while signing up on Amazon. Now we will be talking about Clickbank. This platform has earned a worldwide reputation because it's open to all affiliates. You will get a huge selection of products, all digital, that fits a wide variety of niches. There are many products with very high commission rates. You will find it very easy to use for sure. You can generate affiliate links by following very simple procedures. And the most important thing to note is they promote recurring commissions. What does that mean? Suppose you are promoting a product or a service that requires a monthly subscription. A customer signs up for a service using your affiliate link. So you will get, let's say, 10% commission for the first purchase, which is normal. But in terms of recurring commission, you will get commissions for every purchase he makes with your link or just by sticking to the product. It can go even for lifetime. So what is bad about this platform? You will have a large selection of garbage product. It might waste your time and undermine your credibility, so please take care. High value products will have a lot of competition. So do your homework before promoting any Clickbank product. Let's talk about eBay affiliate program. This platform pays the highest commission compared to other platforms. In Amazon, you work with many entrepreneurs and promote their product, but as an eBay affiliate, you will work directly with eBay and its programs. As I said earlier, eBay has a high commission range, which is 50% to 70%. They have a fast payment system that works with PayPal. Incredibly easy to generate links. They have buy it now buttons that can shorten purchase times. So what do you need to be aware of? In eBay, a buyer can buy with or without bidding for a product. I guess you know how bidding works. Buyers bid against each other and the higher bidder wins. But there are some downsides to this. Some consumers prefer to buy new, not used, or through bidding. Auctions will last longer than affiliate cookies. In that case, if the customer purchases after the cookie expires, you don't get paid. And lastly, eBay's selling platform is a bit confusing and might turn away some buyers. Now we will talk about Commission Junction. They have a solid reputation as one of the best affiliate platforms in the world. Tons of well-known merchants use the platform. They work with more internet retailers compared to other affiliate platforms. Merchants will seek you out, which will improve your ability to grow and network. Also, it is very flexible for bloggers and social media marketers. On the downside, this platform is hard for newcomers. Your success to get approval as an affiliate depends on the status of your applications and credentials. Variation of payment terms will confuse you. They might not always be the best for advertising. The next platform on my list is Rakuten Affiliate. They have been voted the #1 affiliate marketing program for 7 consecutive years. They are very selective and will suspend you if you don't meet their standard. I guess you can realize how strict they are about maintaining a high reputation. This platform is free to use. You have thousands of merchants and their products to choose from. Fairly intuitive user interface. They also have some good resources from which you can learn. Downsides, they don't work with PayPal like a lot of other affiliate networks. They don't have any definite schedule for payout. And as I said before, Rakuten is very selective and often denies smaller affiliates. Now we will talk about Sharesale. The unique thing about this platform is they give you insights on your performances like average sales, conversion rates, and earnings per click. So you will know where to improve and what needs to be done. They have a huge network of Sharesale merchants. They offer affiliates a wide range of options to choose from. The commission rate is quite good, like 10%, which can increase up to 30% to 40%. The joining process is extremely easy, and the payment is provided on the 20th of each month. And the affiliate program is trustworthy due to extremely professional dealing between affiliates and the merchants. But one of the major drawbacks is that it will take some time to do well at this platform. Also, you need to get approval from each merchant as an affiliate before you market the products, making the whole process time-consuming. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe and switch on the notifications bell button. This way, we get inspired to make more helpful videos like this and you get notifications every time we upload a new video. Now let's talk about Warrior Plus. I love Warrior Plus. I have most of my products listed on Warrior Plus. We make 7 figures per year from Warrior Plus alone. They work on digital products like ebooks, online courses, and softwares. You'll get an instant payout there as an affiliate. Thousands of publishers looking to promote good products and services. You can start promoting products very easily. Very easy to get started promoting or listing products. You will get a high commission rate like 50% to way up to 100%. Offers have deep funnels that generate a lot of sales and a lot of commissions. They don't have a screening process for products. That's a downside. So you need to spend a lot of time, at least a little lot of time identifying reliable products to promote, but that's not a lot of time. You can actually find them pretty easily. The easiest way to find good products to promote is to look for products from top-selling merchants and products that generated high conversions and high EPCs. The next platform on my list is Jvzoo. It's similar to Warrior Plus, but on Jvzoo are higher priced offers, so affiliates make more money. They have a unique feature that is a 2-tier affiliate commission. How that works is you get to choose a product to promote then you get to recruit an affiliate to promote that product. You will get a commission when your referred affiliate makes a sale. Pretty awesome, right? Kind of passive income. They offer big commission rates ranging from 50% to 100%. It is very easy to register and you can get approved really quickly. You can create affiliate links in seconds on Jvzoo and also on Warrior Plus. They also have a low payout threshold and you can get instant commissions as well. But Jvzoo's account activation process is a bit slow. They need to work on it. You'll get a tons of good products to promote, but you should do your own research and use your own due diligence before deciding which one to promote. Is this video good? Have you liked it yet? Please do it if you haven't. The last platform we will be talking about is Fiverr affiliate program. They are well known and already have a big market. This platform is completely free and you can get accepted very easily. They have a unique and custom commission structure and excellent commission rates that will fit you, but they have some downsides. You won't get a high commission promoting digital products or their products, offers, or gigs. Your commission will be limited. Also, payments are not processed automatically. There's a few of the most important affiliate platforms in my opinion that you should know as a beginner. Unlike most content creators, we try to provide you with both advantages and disadvantages of these platforms. Now it is up to you. Think about all the issues we try to explain and identify which platform suits you the best. Let us know in the comment below how it helped, and did you like the video so far? We put a lot of effort into it. Please like this video. This way you tell YouTube that it was a good video, and if you subscribe and switch on the notifications bell button, then you get notified every time we upload a new video. And we will see you in the next video.